Hello everyone, it is Vachette. Today I will show you a very fun lock from the France. It is a Vachette V DIS. It has 6 pins in the main stacks and 4 sliders that interact with the sidebar. The feedback is very good, the keyway is open and there is plenty of room. I will use curved flag for the main stacks and some small flag for the sliders to pick it. Here we have the key and the cuts. Here we have first 2 pins are max cut. Pin number 5 is also max. Pin number 6 is 0 cut. And here we have a laser track for sliders, so slider number 2 are 0 cut as well. Alright, so let's here I have all the guts from the V DIS. As you can see, there are 6 pins in the main stacks and sidebar with 4 sliders. The key pins are standard, and this shape is so that the pins don't fall into very bottom of the key pin chamber. There is a small ramp in each key pin chamber where they stop. Driver pins are standard except first 2, which are something like an assa barrel in chamber 2 and something like double spool in chamber 1. Let's see the sliders. So slider number 2 is a 0 cut, and it's not necessary to move at all. Sliders 1, 3 and 4 have false gates. Which however are not effective at all, because the sidebar is too thick to interact with them. Here you can see this sidebar is just a piece of metal. Right, the housing doesn't have anything special. There is a 6 driver chambers and groove for the sidebar. The same with the core. Here we have 6 key pin chambers with this ramp on each, 4 chambers for sliders and the groove for the sidebar. That will be all from the internals, so let's pick this lock. Alright, Vachette V DIS+. Working perfectly, so let's pick clockwise tension and pin number 2 is binding, number 3, and number 5. full. We have a faucet, and number 1 gives us counter rotation. Alright, bigger faucet, that means that all pins are set. No sliders. Number 1 is binding. Alright, number 2 and 3 are loose. Number 4 is binding. Alright, number 3 is binding. Okay, and we have an open. So let's get this lock. Sidebar and springs. Now, K-pins. Number 6. Now sliders. And springs for sliders. Okay. Now driver pins. And springs. Alright, so that was Vachette V DIS Plus. 6 pins in the main stacks and 4 sliders with a sidebar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.